Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market as usual on Mondays. So currently market doesn't show really big activity. Actually, as any other market, so not see significant volatility, but still market slowly but stubbornly is coming to our target, and we currently do not see any reasons to suggest that it will not be hit. So if you remember, we're also talking about the 7870, 80 even area on the daily chart. Whereas market should complete our major XOP target, creates an agreement with major resistance on the daily. Meantime, on the weekly chart, as you can see in our long-term view, we do not exclude this type of the behavior because this sell-off was really sharp, and market shows the reaction on the weekly oversold level. This reaction stands slow with a lot of long tails, as you can see here right at the top. And the upper direction slowed down, the range of the weeks, week by week, becomes smaller. As you can see, that was large week, this was smaller, and it's currently, this new week started, so it's very small. So it's kind of the pin and pattern is forming here. It suggests the drop here is possible right to the OP. Besides, you can see on the hash rate, well, it slowed down a bit, and we do not see a reestablishing of the previous standing hash rate here. This market's coming to the halving in Bitcoin that should happen in the beginning of the May. All this stuff lets us to keep this pattern valid. And despite that, we're coming to our daily target that stands to the upside, and the short-term setup is bullish. Longer-term picture currently is mostly bearish. So to change our opinion, market has to move back to the C point, taking out the 1050 point. And in this case, we could say yes, probably the situation is changing, the market is coming higher, and could reestablish upper direction. Until this will happen, until market stands below the C point, and especially is forming kind of the pin and pattern here, well, we keep our ABCD pattern intact here on the weekly chart. On the daily, here as you can see what I'm talking about, we have the nice looking bullish reversal candle on the last week. So we talked about it, and we said keep an eye on the possible taking the long position. So our entry point was around 65 area. So indeed, market to reestablish upper direction. As you can see, very small trading ranges stands day by day. It's very small activity on the market right now, but still technical picture stands good. As soon as market has completed harmonic swing here, it was able to hold above the previous lows that was previously broken confidence resistance. The market stands upon it, use it as a support. That's a good sign. It's now showing upward pullback. That's actually the point that we're talking about. 80 even confidence, 618 resistance from this top right at the bottom, major 618 level, where the upward action potential could be over. But currently we do not see any reason to suggest that it might be over right now. So to suggest that, we need more bearish signs, at least erasing of this candle, dropping below the zero, dropping below 60 even. In this case, we could say yes, probably now our direction is reestablished and our bearish setup on the weekly chart is taking the continuation currently. But at this moment, it's not this moment yet, and we still are considering the possible upward continuation. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see our major A, B, C bottom pattern. That's the XOP of this pattern. Market stands very close to it. Now I would suggest that upward action could be finalized by the butterfly, whether it will be 127, if it is coming right to the 7873, or it could be 1618 if it's coming to 80 even on the daily chart. That doesn't matter. So actually, that's the pattern that market could form. And if you trade on intraday charts, you trade on the daily charts until market keeps these lows valid, because this is our reversal candle on the daily chart. That's important support area. Well, you could consider possible retracement to one of the fib levels, where you could think about taking the long position against these lows until this setup is holding, stands on the market. That's the levels that you could consider on the hourly chart. First one is 70 even approximately. You can see 69.83. That also will be AB equals CD. Next one 67.80 at 618 supports. One of these levels this market could reach before upward continuation in the shape of the butterfly that we're talking here on the 4-hour frame chart. So more probable, well, actually both levels has equal chance to support market, but well, as market has formed here a bullish reversal swing, as you can see, so market create here is upward action that's greater than the previous swing down. Also, a bit deeper retracement is possible, so I'm not excluding the chance that we could get right to the 68.50, 50%, or even 618 support. It's also possible. That's why if you're intending to take the long position, you could split your trading position in the parts and take position gradual. So you could step in here with the 30% of your positions, market will drop lower, it's add more and lower few levels. But major point here is these lows. So until they are holding, they are standing on the market, it's bullish context as well. So that's things that we will keep an eye on Bitcoin within the few sessions probably, and see how market we will continue with our short-term trading setup and 78 and 80 even targets. That's our view on Bitcoin right now.